So, you need to make a video. How do you even get started? The answer is storyboarding. My name is Mila and I'm going to walk you through how to plan out and storyboard a short, fact-based video. First of all, why even use storyboarding? Why not just jump into the creative process of making a video and seeing how it goes? Well, storyboarding is a very useful tool, and professional filmmakers almost always plan out their films before they get started. Storyboarding helps you think through everything that you'll need when you're creating the video, like what shots you're going to film, what people need to be in the shots, and what kinds of props or equipment you need to pack to take with you. Storyboarding is also a great way to get creative with your video and how you tell the story, because you can see all the pieces of the story laid out in front of you in a way that really helps spark new ideas. One of the best reasons to use storyboarding is because it's an especially effective way to troubleshoot your video. It helps you spot logistical, technical, or story problems early on in the process. If you're working on a video as part of a group, storyboarding helps you collaborate because it makes it much easier to communicate and work on the film when you're planning it out with a storyboard. So how do you create a storyboard? Essentially, you sketch out each piece of your story to create a filmmaking plan. Usually you want to draw out what each film shot will look like in little boxes. Don't worry about your artistic skills, stick figures are perfect for storyboards. You also want to write down as many notes as possible. This is your chance to think about exactly what your final film should look like. Write notes about the dialogue or narration, the lighting, the props, the equipment, the sound, or the transitions you'll make in editing. All of this planning will make your filmmaking less stressful and more successful. When you have all your film shots and notes in front of you, you can begin to troubleshoot. Is anything missing? What could you take out to make the story better? Does changing the sequence of shots change the meaning of the film? I like to storyboard with post-it notes because it makes it really easy to add, delete, or just move around my ideas. When I'm working in a group, I like to use PowerPoint because we can use the slides like a digital version of post-it notes. So what do you actually put into a storyboard? As I mentioned before, you probably want to show the camera shots and angles you plan to shoot. For more about basic camera shots, check out these videos. Cutaways, also sometimes called inserts, are one of the most useful things you can use in filmmaking. Cutaways are very short bits of film of something different to the main action. If, for example, your main action is interviewing someone, instead of just one long video looking at the person talking, you can include lots of cutaways to shots of what they're actually talking about. Click here for more about cutaways. Cutaways help make your video more visually interesting, and they can also help hide jump cuts. What are jump cuts? Check out this video about transitions between shots. And remember that you'll probably want to avoid jump cuts in most situations. So we've talked about the how-to of storyboarding, but what might you actually show in a fact-based video? Whatever your topic is, here are some ideas to help get you started thinking creatively. First, you can show the topic itself. If your topic isn't easy to film, consider other ways of showing it, like through diagrams, maps, or simulations. It's especially great to show us the people whose work is related to your topic or whose lives are affected by it. Interviews are a great thing to have in a video. And you can also show us the greater context of the topic. Don't forget there might be archive or historical footage available. Now that you have a storyboard, you are almost ready to start recording your film. Here are a few more resources to help you. Watch these videos about using the UWA Creator Space, where students can record high-quality video or audio on campus for free. Thanks for listening, and have lots of fun making your film.